Good day to you all again, YouTube. Welcome back to tweak of the day number 19. Today we have a tweak called Auki 2 which supports 8 and above, and there's also a Auki 1, or in fact Auki just by itself that supports 7 and below, possibly 8. I'm not too sure about that version, but we'll start this video by going into the notification center, and you can see that below notifications we have swipe down to compose message. This does work for both, and I will use the notifications tab for now. Swiping down, you can see that there is a composed message. There is also a reply to message where you get a message and you can reply straight from this. There's also 3D touch methods that you can set which are not too bad, as well as other methods, so swiping up from the bottom or swiping across the screen edges or off the screen, on the screen, something like that you can set yourself. I've just got notifications set as the default, so you can type in any number, and I won't put any number in, so that is just one random number. And compose message, you can type whatever you want. It will not work if you haven't touched the green option or if you've pressed return, so you need to press return or touch the green number for it to be able to read the message. And you can type in a name if you want, so I can just use a certain name. I will blur them out. You can send it, but this will not be any number. I will not send it. And you can also send photos of the most recent options, so this is about 2 weeks prior, and also taking photos as well, so send photo. So that will not actually be sent, hopefully. We'll most likely get a notification. So in fact it has been, or it is sending in this case, hopefully not to anyone, but we shall see. So it looks like it's not sending to anyone, and hopefully it doesn't, because I do not want to be sending just random messages to people, and I had no idea that it was a number. The number seemed way too long to be a real one. So it doesn't look like it's working, and hopefully it does not send at all, but we shall see. So that is pretty much for this tweak. There is no options to be configured inside of settings, so as you can see there is no Auki option, and also in Cydia there is the Repo Big Boss, so it is an official tweak. There's also Sire Repo, Bite Your Apple, and also Hack Your iPhone repos that all support it. I'm not sure what versions they have, but here in Auki 2 is 1.0.1-1, which supports 9, 8 and 9, or with iOS 9, but I believe it should work with 8 and 9. Not all features will work, of course, because they are a bit different. There's also Auki 1, so just straight Auki, which I believe is the same thing, so simply reply, but it supports an older version of iOS, so this one does support possibly 8 and below. So iOS 7, it says here, iOS 7 again, does not have a version. So here it is, compatible with all iPhones and iPod Touches, possibly iPads too, with 7.0, but it could work with 8 as well. I am not too sure, because I have not tested it. So you can see that it is working here, and it is a little bit different to the notifications one, but it still works perfectly fine. So you can see that when you get a notification coming down, you then swipe it more and you will have the box in the way. But that is pretty much it for this tweak. There is nothing much more to configure with this one, and apart from that, that is pretty much the whole idea of this tweak, is just to quick compose and reply to messages instead of opening up the app and reducing speed of your device. So thank you so much guys for watching. If you did like it, please hit the like button. It shows me that you do like these videos, as well as hit the dislike button if you didn't like it. It also shows me that you don't like that particular one, or possibly this whole series, but I will still be making them in the future and every single day. As well as hit the subscribe button if you want notifications to when I release new videos, which are every single day in fact, and also sometimes twice a day, not during the weekend, possibly, depending if I have missed a day during the week where I have to release one on the weekend. And also comment below for suggestions and also questions to any videos related to tweaks, theos, and whatever else I have on my channel. I will answer every single one, and hopefully everything will be fine with your Auki and with every single tweak that you've installed. But apart from that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video.